In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a tilde below a letter in Microsoft Word. This is a handy trick if you're working in linguistics or other fields where specific diacritical marks are needed. We'll take it step by step, so even if you're not a word wizard, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to do it effortlessly. To begin with, go ahead and open your Microsoft Word file. If you have a specific document you're working on, navigate to that one. Otherwise, you can start with a blank document just for practice. It's always good to get comfortable with these steps a few times before you need to use them on an actual project. Now you'll want to type in the letter you want to add a tilde below. Just type it directly into your document. Remember, this works with any letter, so type whichever character you need to modify. Next, we need to work with word symbol insertion function to get that diacritical mark under your letter. So head over to the toolbar at the top of your Word document. Here you'll see a variety of tabs: Home, Insert, Draw, and the like. Click on the Insert tab. This is where you'll find tools for adding elements beyond plain text, such as images, charts, and what we're looking for, symbols. Within the Insert tab, look for the option labeled Symbol. Clicking on this will show you a drop-down. It's a simple feature, but incredibly useful for inserting uncommon characters. From the drop-down, you'll need to select More Symbols. Don't worry if it seems a bit overwhelming with all the different options. We're going to simplify it. Once you've clicked More Symbols, you'll see a new window pop up. Here is where the magic happens. You'll want to ensure that under the subset dropdown, you select Combining Diacritical Marks. This special subset includes all those extra marks that can modify your letters in ways that convey very specific meanings or pronunciations. Scroll through the list that appears in the middle of the window until you find tilde below. You might notice that Word arranges these symbols a bit counterintuitively, so don't hesitate to scroll a bit if you don't see it right away. Once you've located it, select it, and then click Insert. You'll notice it doesn't look much like the standalone tildes you see above letters in Spanish. Rather, it's perfectly formatted to sit right under the letter you chose. And just like that, you're all set. You should now see your letter with the tilde directly below it. It's a small touch, but one that can make all the difference in the accuracy and clarity of your document. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful tool in your Word toolkit. Practice it a few times, and soon it'll be second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.